printed, mahal. 300 po ang deposit. Second natin si Melis sa printed. Ay, ang ganda nito. Okay, next, small, medium, zipper back. Diyos ko, napakaganda. Zipper back, small, medium po. Ayan siya. Garter yung dulo. Branded by Hug and Claw. Ayan, small, medium, ang ganda. Code ako Dalaga, 180. Dalaga, 180 pesos. Code is Dalaga. Code ng Dalaga. Ay, imay nyo to. Diba? Ano to? Branded by Cotton On, sorry. Branded by Cotton On, linen po ang tela, pa-pop sleeve siya ha, medium on tag. Smacking cutout po siya. Code ako Cotton, 180. Oo, Madam Miriam, sa'yo napunta si Promise, double lock. Okay, double lock si Promise. Ay, shucks, ang ganda. Branded by Zara, mga bading. Branded by Zara, size large po. Ayan siya, may inner lining na to ha. Size large, semi-XL kasha to. Branded by Zara. Code ako ng green. Green 180. May inner lining na. Green 180, large XL ni Zara. Cotton, Des, yours na to. Desiree. Desiree, yours na to. Okay, next one is, ay, cutie nito, mga madam. Cotton na cotton din to, mga bakla, ha? Small, medium, branded by Apricot. Cotton linen, mga madam. Up to medium carry, super garterized. Ayan, tapos garter yung kanyang dulo ng sleeves, ha? Code ako dito ng malambot. Malambot, 180 naman. Ay, na-double lock si Cotton. Desiree, na-double lock. May kalaban ka. Ano ba yan? Miss Algin, yours na to si Cotton, Miss Algin. Double lock. Okay, next one is, ay, ang ganda nito, mga baklay, may nyo to. Okay, this one is branded by Portmans lang naman. Small, medium po, size 8. Okay, zipper back. Pwede to pang ano, mga bakla pang office, napakaganda ng quality. Small, medium, tapos yung brand niya, Portmans pa, Diyos ko. Small, medium ha. Branded by Portmans. Code ako branded 180. Branded 180, small, mid. Code is branded, small, medium po. Code branded. Okay, next, size is small. Okay, size extra, ay parang small semi-mid kasha po. Okay, pero i-small ko lang ha. Code ako dito, branded by Daike, Daike Jow? Small on tag mga madam, small on tag. Code ako ng Rosas, 180 Rosas. Size is small po, side zipper. Code is Rosas. Okay, next, another small, extra small to small zipper back pa pop sleeves. Ang ganda ng color. Code ako color 180. Zipper back yan. Code color 180 pesos. Code is color. Miss Abby, yours na to, mahal. Miss Abby, 123, 123, yours na to. Sana maaga ako magising, Mi. Tapos, babuksan ko siya agad. Pero naka-ready na. Okay. Miss Abby, color. Yours na to, B. Miss Abby, 123, 123, color. Yours na to. Abby Di Ocampo. Second si Mirna, tapos si Raylene. Small to ha. DP, Madam Zai, thank you so much. Asan na yun? Miss Zai, yours na to, mahal si Pula. Zai Prieto, thank you so much, Mom, for understanding our rules. Okay, Ma'am, yours na to, 180 ha. Visible ka, Ann, pero parang mahina yung powers mo ngayon. Or madami kang kalaban. Parang madami kang kalaban tonight. Okay, next one is, oh my God, this one is so pretty din. Okay, size extra small to small linen. Parang carry pa to sa semi-medium. Ha, button down. Extra small on tag. Pero stretch kasi siya. Okay, extra small to semi-med. Code ako itim 180. Itim 180. Okay, next one is size large. Ala, be, ang ganda nito. Large XL, mga madam, na black. Nakakapayat to mga madam. Large semi-XL ha. Code is payat. Code ng payat 180. Branded by Sensei. Okay, code ng payat. Code ng payat. Okay, next one. Small, medium. Branded by Grease & Co. Side zipper, mga madam. Size 8 on tag. Code ako ng blue. 180 code is blue. Melis, yours na si payat. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Melis, yours na to. Ay, dinoble lock ni Ann. Yun na. Ann, yours na to. Double lock payat. Si Ann ang nauna. Second si Eileen. Ay, shit. Ay, ang ganda. Strappy na, XL ata ito. Okay, this one is pa-X, mga madam, ha? Branded by Daisy, size medium large. Okay, size medium large, pa-X, branded by Daisy, size 10, mga madam. Ganyan siya, pa-X siya. Size 10, medium. Okay, small, medium, ganda. Code is X. 180X, branded by Daisy, size 10. X to sa likod, ha? Code is X, 180. Ay, ang ganda, mga buding. Branded by Sfera, mga madam. Okay, pa-floral siya, medium up to large. Straight cut lang siya, hindi halata ang ating bilbil. Okay, straight cut, dull cut, parang ganun ang peg. Okay, ayan. Size medium large, mga madam. Code ako dito ng perfect. 180 perfect, branded by Sfera Collection. This one is parang, Zara. DLX, cute cut me. Naku, nandiyan si Madam KitKat. Double lock talaga kayo dapat. Okay, next one, small, mga madam. Okay, extra small to small, zipper back. Di talaga to kasya sa akin. Hanggang 26, 27 lang to. Zipper back, branded by Morning Mist. Napakaganda sana. Okay, doll cut siya. Code ako doll. Extra small to small, zipper back. Code is doll. Doll, 180 pesos. Code is doll. Ang ganda niyan. Code tayo ng doll, mga madam. Code is doll. Okay, next, extra small to small, branded by Lobbies. Zipper back. Okay, extra small to small, zipper back, pa-v-neck, mga madam. Code is Sunflower. Sunflower, 180. Sunflower, 180. Ano yung perfect? Ito. Perfect! Zai, ito ba yun? Zai, yours na si perfect.